Hi everyone, it's Mark from Maritime Videographic, and we are here today at the beautiful Armdale Yacht Club in Halifax, Nova Scotia, and we're going to be doing a review of the Propeller Pro ND filter for the GoPro Hero 3 and 4 cameras.
So let's take a look at this bad boy. This is the Propeller Pro Frame 2 Neutral Density. It says naked frame housing. One thing I noticed right off the bat is that it doesn't say anywhere on the box if it's ND4, ND8, or what it is. But it was the only one they had, so I was getting it either way. So let's go in and take a look at what's in there. One thing that's pretty cool is they give you this nice little bag, and the bag is actually pretty good quality. It's for carrying the ND. They give you a little product catalog of their other products that I'm probably going to check out at some point. And here's the money thing. So once you get it out of the box, you'll see that it actually says ND8 on it.
So why put an ND filter on your GoPro? Well, while the flexibility with settings in ProTune is great, you still don't have the ability to manually control the shutter speed or aperture, which is usually fine, but sometimes a shutter speed that is cranked up too high for the sake of exposure can be a bad thing. Most notably while using the GoPro to capture drone footage in bright sunlight. What happens is, as your drone propellers are spinning around, they're actually casting a flickering shadow down towards the lens of your GoPro. And as this happens, if the shutter speed is too fast, it will catch artifacts of that flickering, which will show up as this horrible banding in your footage that you can see here. And here is a shot taken immediately afterwards with the Propeller Pro Frame 2 in front of the lens. As you can see, by reducing the light coming in, the GoPro sets a slower shutter speed. Too slow to catch any of the propeller shadows. There are other ways you can help reduce this issue as well, which aren't anywhere close to as good as the ND filter solution. But if you don't have the filter laying around, or you're on set right now, or for whatever reason you can't get one, you can also stop down on the exposure compensation in the GoPro's menu. And you should also use your GoPro's lens hood if you have it, or improvise one out of black tape if you don't. These solutions won't always work, but they will be a whole lot better than a naked lens. As luck would have it, when we flew at the yacht club, I did have the lens hood on, and it wasn't really that bright of a day, and I didn't end up catching the problem. So that's why we reshot some footage for this comparison in the open field. Here's some of the footage from the yacht club if you're interested. All of this footage you are seeing was shot using the filter, and as you can see, it looks really good. I didn't notice any difference in sharpness at all putting it in front of the lens, and there wasn't any problematic color cast or anything like that either. All in all, for the money, if you're doing a lot of aerials or shooting around fluorescent lighting, this is definitely worth the money and something you want to have in your kit. Thanks for watching.